7 most powerful Gatling-style rotary cannons of the U.S. military. In the annals of military ingenuity, one name stands synonymous with devastating power and innovation: the Gatling-style rotary cannon. From Richard Gatling's visionary mind to modern arsenals, its spinning barrels and relentless firepower define the essence of destructive might. A Gatling cannon is a multiple-barreled automatic firearm that uses a Gatling-type rotating barrel assembly to deliver a sustained, saturational direct fire at much greater rates of fire than single-barreled autocannons of the same caliber. Due to the usually cumbersome size and weight of rotary cannon, they're typically mounted on weapons platforms such as vehicles, fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and ships, where they're often used in close-in weapon systems. Here I present a formidable lineup of 7 Gatling-style rotary cannons proudly serving within the ranks of the United States military. 7. M134 Minigun. The M134 is a 6-barreled, air-cooled medium machine gun used primarily as a fire suppression weapon in aircraft for the U.S. military. The so-called Gatling design relies on electric motors to power the barrels, resulting in a firing rate as much as 3,000 to 6,000 rounds per minute. It's used in a variety of rotor wing aircraft in the door gunner position and is used by the U.S. Navy for its riverine craft and special operations watercraft. In all of these applications, the M134 minigun's high rate of fire and compact size make it a valuable asset for delivering a large volume of firepower on target. Its ability to quickly engage and suppress threats has made it popular in military and law enforcement settings where intense firepower is required. Six, M197 electric cannon. The M197 was developed primarily for use by U.S. Army helicopter gunships, with its development commencing in 1967. The need for a more effective weapon became apparent during the Vietnam War, as the existing 7.62mm minigun showcased limitations when employed on gunships. As a result, the development of the M197 was initiated to address these inadequacies and provide a more capable armament solution. The M197 20mm Gatling gun is a lightweight, 3-barrel version of the M61A1 Gatling gun, intended for applications that require a lightweight, highly reliable weapon capable of firing up to 1,500 shots per minute. Even today, the M197 remains in active service and continues to prove its worth on modern gunship platforms like the AH-1Z Viper. As a central component of the Viper's armament, the M197 ensures that the helicopter maintains its formidable role as an agile and lethal close air support platform on the modern battlefield. 5. GAU22A Gatling Gun. The 25mm GAU22A Gatling Gun is an externally powered Gatling gun selected for installation in the F-35 Lightning II fighter. This 4-barrel gun is based on the highly successful 5-barrel 25mm GAU12 gun. Each of the 4 gun barrels has a breech bolt assembly that fires once per gun revolution. This ensures long barrel and breech life by distributing the heat and firing forces over all 4 barrels in breech positions. Continuous rotary motion reduces the impact loads on gun components, extending parts life and resulting in extremely high gun reliability. Compared to its 5-barrel counterpart, the GAU22A is more than 40 pounds lighter and occupies 20% less volume. It can be easily configured to be mounted in either the F-35A internal gun system installation or the F-35BC missionized gun pods. With its demonstrated versatility and significant combat lethality, the GAU22A gun is an ideal choice for air, land, and sea platforms that require an effective weapon for various missions against a wide range of targets. 4. GAU19 Rotary Heavy Machine Gun. The GAU19 is an electrically driven 3-barrel rotary heavy machine gun that fires the .50 caliber BMG cartridge. The GAU19A is specifically designed to use standard NATO 50 caliber M9 linked ammunition. It offers a selectable rate of fire, allowing for either 1,000 or 2,000 rounds per minute. The version used in the Humvee armament kit maintains a firing rate of 1,300 rounds per minute. In January 2012, General Dynamics announced the development of a new variant, the GAU19B. This updated version retains the same firepower but features a lighter platform weighing only 106 pounds. It's optimized for a firing rate of 1,300 rounds per minute. Both variants can be configured to hold an ammunition capacity ranging from 500 to 1,200 rounds. Furthermore, both variants have demonstrated exceptional reliability with a mean rounds between failure of 40,000 rounds. 3. GAU12 Equalizer. The General Dynamics GAU12 is a 5-barrel 25mm Gatling-style rotary cannon. It provides an impressive rate of fire capable of achieving approximately 4,200 rounds per minute, which equates to approximately 70 rounds fired per second.
Your arm. Yeah.
Each of the GAU12's 5 barrels contains its own breech bolt assembly, which fires once per gun revolution. This design ensures an extended barrel life by distributing firing loads evenly across all 5 barrels. The continuous rotary motion also reduces impact loads on gun components, thereby providing extended parts life and high reliability. The GAU12 Equalizer cannon has been integrated into various military aircraft platforms, such as the AC-130H Spectre, AC-130U Spooky, and AV-88 Harrier II. Unfortunately, both the AC-130H and AC-130U have been retired, while the Harrier is expected to be retired by 2025. 2. GAU8 Avenger. The General Electric GAU8 Avenger is a 30mm hydraulically driven 7-barrel Gatling-style autocannon that's primarily mounted in the U.S. Air Force's A-10 Thunderbolt II. Mounting a gun this powerful on a jet aircraft is nothing short of a Herculean task, but the results speak for itself. The 30mm 7-barrel rotary cannon can fire 3,900 rounds per minute with a lightning-fast wind-up time and impressive 80% accuracy at an operational range of about 4,000 feet. It's a highly accurate point-and-shoot weapon that grants our pilots superior firepower and flexibility in a close combat ground fight, former A-10 pilot Lieutenant Colonel Brian T. France told the National Interest. The Avenger is most commonly associated with the A-10, and rightly so, given its origins, but the cannon has a larger global legacy. It's the basis of Goalkeeper, a Dutch Sea Whiz that currently serves in as many as 7 different navies. 1. M61 Vulcan. The M61 Vulcan is a hydraulically driven, air-cooled 6-barrel Gatling-style rotary cannon that fires 20mm rounds at an extremely high rate. The M61 and its derivatives have been the principal cannon armament of the United States military fixed-wing aircraft for over 60 years. It's integrated into numerous aircraft models, including the F-15 Eagle and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. A lighter version of the Vulcan, designated M61A2, was developed for use on the F-22 Raptor. Mechanically, it's the same as the M61A1, but features thinner barrels to reduce the overall weight to 202 pounds. The FA-18EF Super Hornet also uses this version. The Vulcan's typical rate of fire is 6,000 rounds per minute, but the M61A2's lighter barrels allow for a somewhat higher rate of fire, up to 6,600 rounds per minute. Apart from its aircraft applications, the M61 Vulcan serves as the basis for the U.S. Navy's Mark 15 Phalanx close-in weapon system, known as Phalanx Sea Whiz. The Sea Whiz is a rapid-fire, computer-controlled radar-guided gun designed to destroy or intercept enemy fire before it can reach a ship. It's been protecting ship platforms for decades and can fire up to 4,500 rounds per minute. Furthermore, the U.S. Army employs a set of systems called CRAM, which stands for Counter Rocket Artillery and Mortar. This system is used to detect and potentially destroy incoming rockets, artillery, and mortar rounds in the air before they hit their ground targets.